Your first question is, who wrote the famous book The Jungle Book? A. Henry James. B. Rudyard Kipling. C. Alfred Austin. D. Charles Edward. Your correct answer is option B. Rudyard Kipling. Which city is known as the Gateway of South India? A. Mumbai. B. Kochi. C. Chennai. D. Kanyakumari. Your correct answer is option C. Chennai. International Women's Day is celebrated on A. the 5th of April. B. the 8th of January. C. the 14th of September. D. the 8th of March. Your correct answer is option D. The 8th of March. Which is the second largest statue in the world? A. Statue of Unity. B. Spring Temple Buddha. C. Statue of Liberty. D. Christ the Redeemer. Your correct answer is option B. Spring Temple Buddha. Which city is known as the Silver City in India? A. Cuttack. B. Shimla. C. Mysore. D. Bengaluru. Your correct answer is option A. Cuttack. Which is the hottest sea present on Earth? A. Red Sea. B. Black Sea. C. Baltic Sea. D. Arabian Sea. Your correct answer is option A. Red Sea. Which type of soil is mostly found in India? A. Alluvial soil. B. Black soil. C. Red soil. D. Laterite soil. Your correct answer is option A. Alluvial soil. Where is the headquarters of Google located? A. California. B. Paris. C. London. D. New York. Your correct answer is option A. California. Which country has the largest number of voters in the world? A. China. B. India. C. Canada. D. Russia. Your correct answer is option B. India. Which is the first dam constructed in India? A. Hirakud Dam. B. Kallanai Dam. C. Terry Dam. D. Koyna Dam. Your correct answer is option B. Kallanai Dam. Which is the eighth wonder of the world? A. Taj Mahal. B. Colosseum. C. Machu Picchu. D. Angkor Wat Temple. Your correct answer is option D. Angkor Wat Temple. What is the financial capital of India? A. Chennai. B. New Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. Your correct answer is option C. Mumbai. Which is the biggest flower in the world? A. Lotus. B. Rafflesia. C. Hibiscus. D. Sunflower. Your correct answer is option B. Rafflesia. Which is the first country to launch an artificial satellite in space? A. China. B. Japan. C. Russia. D. United States. Your correct answer is option C. Russia. Which European first came to India? A. England. B. Dutch. C. France. D. Portuguese. Your correct answer is option D. Portuguese. In which year River Ganga declared as National River of India? A. 2001. B. 2005, C. 2014, D. 2008. Your correct answer is option D. 2008. Which Indian cricketer is popularly known as Hitman? A. Virat Kohli, B. MS Dhoni, C. Rohit Sharma, D. Surya Kumar Yadav. Your correct answer is option C. Rohit Sharma. Which country is known as the land of pomegranate? A. Japan, B. Malaysia, C. Afghanistan, D. Mongolia. Your correct answer is option C. Afghanistan. Who was the first woman ruler of India? A. Kiran Bedi, B. Aarti Saha, C. Razia Sultan, D. Indira Gandhi. Your correct answer is option C. Razia Sultan. In which state does the sun set in India? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Your correct answer is option B. Gujarat. Titan is the largest natural satellite of which planet? A. Mars, B. Venus, C. Saturn, D. Jupiter. Your correct answer is option C. Saturn. Which is the only continent where giraffes live? A. Asia, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. Australia. Your correct answer is option C. Africa. Baseball is the national game of which country? A. Australia, B. Russia, C. Canada, D. United States. Your correct answer is option D. United States. Which is the second largest continent in the world? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe, D. Antarctica. Your correct answer is option B. Africa. Which gas is filled in air balloons? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Helium, D. Carbon dioxide. Your correct answer is option C. Helium. Which country's official constitution is the Quran? A. Iran, B. Qatar, C. UAE, D. Saudi Arabia. Your correct answer is option D. Saudi Arabia. Earth Day is celebrated every year on A. the 2nd of October, B. the 5th March, C. the 22nd of April, D. the 16th of February. Your correct answer is option C. the 22nd April. Camel is the national animal of which country? A. Saudi Arabia, B. Iran, C. Qatar, D. Afghanistan. Your correct answer is option A. Saudi Arabia. Which place in India is called as City of Palaces? A. Kolkata, B. Jaipur, C. Mysore, D. Chandigarh. Your correct answer is option A. Kolkata. Which country is known as the gateway to Asia? A. India, B. Singapore, C. Myanmar, D. Japan. Your correct answer is option B. Singapore. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. Your correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Kilimanjaro. B. Mount McKinley. C. Mount Everest. D. Mount Fuji. Your correct answer is option C. Mount Everest. Which gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Your correct answer is option C. Nitrogen. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro. B. Pound sterling. C. Dollar. D. Yen. Your correct answer is option B. Pound sterling. Bullfighting is the national game of which country? A. Spain. B. India. C. Finland. D. China. Your correct answer is option A. Spain. Which gas keeps water cool in the fridge? A. Ammonia. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Your correct answer is option A. Ammonia. The national song Vande Mataram was originally written in which language? Your correct answer is option C. Sanskrit. Which country is also known as the land of cakes? Your correct answer is option D. Scotland. Which is the highest milk producing state in India? Your correct answer is option B. Uttar Pradesh. When ants bite, they inject which acid? Your correct answer is option C. Formic acid. Which is the first newspaper started in India? Your correct answer is option D. The Bengal Gazette. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.